educators and people who are watching this video. Welcome to Student Line. My name is Shahrukh, and today we're going to talk about how you can use certain features like a solar system onto the panel, right? So by really good facility, Bytello Note has given us an opportunity where you just click on more, just click on planet, and you will directly see the entire solar system. And if you want to point out a particular planet, you can click with your finger and you can see the rotations and revolutions. Similarly, if you want to see any planet in specific, for example, you can just use your finger, you'll be able to see all of them using this kind of 3D animation. Now, especially when you're explaining solar system, now this could be of any range of kids, you can use this and actually understand how you can actually select and have an interactive version when you're talking about solar system. So I hope that helps to make your product basket more interesting, where people are interested to talk about these features. Thank you so much.